Good morning, everyone. I am Andrea Mata, and today let us discuss Dijkstra's algorithm and the traveling salesman problem. Let's start first with Dijkstra's algorithm. It is a straightforward method for solving the single source shortest path problem in graphs, whether directed or undirected. However, it does not work with graphs containing negative edges. And here's how it works. Let's see this figure as an example. And to solve it, let's start at A, which is box 0 at A. Second step is to label connected vertices, which is B, B2, D4, and F4. Third is to box the smallest number, which is box 2 at B. Fourth step is to update the distances. From B, C3, D4, A, which is 2 already boxed. And then fifth step is to box the smallest number, which is box 3 at C. Now let's update the distances again. From C, B, 3 already boxed, E4, then box the smallest number again, which is box 4 at D. We will update the distances again from D, A, which is 4 already boxed, B, 4 already boxed, and E7. Next is box the smallest number, box 4 at E. Update the distances from E, C4 already boxed, D7 already boxed. And the last step is to box the smallest number, box 4 at F. Now can you identify the shortest distance from A? Here's the answer for it. The final shortest path distances from A is A, which is 0 kilometers, B, 2 kilometers, C, 3 kilometers, D, 4 kilometers, E, 4 kilometers, and F, 4 kilometers. Now let's move on to the traveling salesman problem. The traveling salesman problem is a classic algorithmic problem aimed at finding the shortest route that visits a set of location and returns to the starting point. The goal is to minimize both travel cost and distance. So we will look at this figure and solve it. Let's first start at A, go to the nearest unvisited city, which is B, and it will take 10 kilometers. And then from B, go to the nearest unvisited city at C, which will take 15 kilometers. And then from C, go to the nearest unvisited city at E, which will take 20 kilometers. Then from E, go to the nearest unvisited city at D, which will take 5 kilometers. Then from D, go to the nearest unvisited city at F, which will take 30 kilometers. And then lastly, return to A from F, which will take 35 kilometers. So the total distance that this will take is 115 kilometers. And the route it will be going through is point A to B, to point C, to point E, to point D, to point F, and then to point A again. That is all for today, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.